Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about the first step of extraction process, that is dressing of ore, and we will see that how many types of processes are involved in that. These topics are under ICSE standard 10 syllabus. So what is the meaning of dressing of ore? In previous video we have studied all the three stages of extraction of ores, and in that the first stage was dressing of ore, second was calcination or roasting, and third was purifying metal or get the purest form of metal, and that too a reduction stage. This is a dressing of ore, and what is the meaning of dressing of ore? That we are getting a concentrated ore from a ore. In this process, basically we are eliminating mud particle and earthy impurities from the ore, and that means if any ore is combined with any compound, so that compound we are not removing at this first stage. We are just removing the mud particles, silica dioxide, all those things from the ore. That means we are concentrating ore in this stage. This is the very first stage, and in this we are going to learn three different methods to concentrate ore. First method is hydrolytic separation. In this we are using a density, and one of the component, for example ore or a gangue, is denser than other one, then we can use this method. In this, from top of the hydrolytic triangle, the flow of water will be there along with the ore. So whatever denser particles of ore will be there, that will lie in between these two stages, and the water will go down from the slope, and here along with the water the gangue particle will come and we are collecting it here at the down. So ore is denser and it will lie in between these two steps, whereas the lighter gangue particle will flow along with the water and it will get separated from the denser ore. So this method is known as hydrolytic method, in which the gangue particle is lighter and we will separate it with the help of flow of water. So this is first method. Second method is how can we concentrate a ore which has iron particles in it. So basically iron ore we are separating through this magnetic separation. So in this we are putting a pulverized ore in this. What is the meaning of pulverized ore? Fine particles of ore, that is known as pulverized ore. So that we are adding into this, and that ore particle will go on this conveyor belt. This conveyor belt is magnetic one. So here we are keeping two vessels. The magnetic particles, the iron particles which is attracted towards the magnetic conveyor belt, will held through this magnetic conveyor belt and it will fall here, and the impurities which are non-magnetic will fall directly to this. So that is how we are separating, because this is iron particles which are attracted towards a magnetic conveyor belt will come till here, as the effect of magnet will be there on conveyor belt. So those magnetic particles we are collecting here, and non-magnetic gangue particle we are collecting here. But this we can utilize only and only for iron particles, because this is magnetic separation and iron is the only metal which is attracted towards the magnet. So this process is specifically for iron ore. Now third is fourth flotation, and this process we are using for mainly for sulfide ore, because sulfide ore will get wet by oil. So in this what we will do, we are taking oil and water mixture and we are taking ore in this vessel, and from top of that we are blowing air into this vessel. So what will happen, that what all ore particle, the sulfide ore will be there, that ore will get wet with oil and it will come at the top of this vessel. So this is ore, and the gangue particles, they will get wet by water, so they will settle down. Once they will get wet by water, they will become heavier and they will settle down. And our ore, which is sulfide ore, will get wet by oil and it will come up because of the air which we are blowing into this vessel. So that is how we are separating two things, sulfide ore at the top and the gangue particles at the bottom. This process is known as froth flotation process, and this is basically used for sulfide ore. So these are the process which we are using to concentrate the ore. After we will get this concentrated ore, we will convert this ore into its oxide form. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.